Okay, here's what I'd like you to try. I've taken the lens out of a pair of sunglasses. You don't have to take your sunglasses apart, just use your sunglasses. If you hold them in front of the Chromebook, you can see the light coming through the Chromebook off the monitor. If I rotate it a little bit this way, you can see it gets a little bit brighter. That means that the light coming off the Chromebook is slightly polarized. And when I tilt it this way where it's bright, then the orientation of the filter at this position is matching the orientation of the light coming off of it. If it matches it in this orientation, that means 90 degrees away from that, it's not going to match it. So if I carefully kind of rotate this guy around, I'm going to get to a point where I black out the light. So right now, the orientation of the light coming off the Chromebook screen is perpendicular to the orientation of the light that's being allowed through the sunglasses. So since it's perpendicular, none of the light is getting through. You can try anything that gives off light in your house, a TV, the clock on your microwave, your calculator, if you have a digital watch, your own computer monitors. If you see a variation, that means that the light coming off that display is polarized. The greater the variation, like this one, from pretty much completely blacked out to quite a lot of light getting through, the greater the variation, the more polarized the light is. Give it a try.